Just few words about me and L'Aventure. When I came in Paso Robles, I purchased this virgin piece of land in 1998. The idea, leaving France, was to escape from French regulation, from the appellation contrôlée. And so all the idea was not to make a copy of Bordeaux, not to make a copy of Rhône, not to make a copy of something already existing in Europe, but the fundamental idea was more to make a wine who will be representative of my terroir. And I think that on some pictures you can definitely see what I am thinking about and speaking about. L'Aventure, it's a beautiful 120 acres of land. Now the vineyard, it's 58 acres. 100% of the production is from my estate vineyard. And across this vineyard, I make the wine of Paso Robles. We have a specific weather, very hot days, but very, very cool night. And so again, the idea is not to try to make a wine who will make just 13% alcohol to match with some, I would say, international criteria. I am in Paso, I make Paso wine, and I think that because I have this beautiful terroir, even the wine are big, even sometimes the wine can be high in alcohol, it's all question of balance. If you have, I will say, naturally, and I insist, naturally, a beautiful acidity, we can balance this level of maturation. I think that you will have the pleasure. And at the end, for me, after 28 vintages, if I learn something about wine, it's first to make the wine of your terroir, and after, wine for me is just pleasure. I will not speak about vinification because for me it's always the same blah blah blah. And I will say about vinification, more I know after 28 vintages, less I do. So I will say my vinification approach year after year is simpler and simpler. And I would like more to speak about the vineyard because that's for me the masterpiece of all L'Aventure. I have 58 acres planted in 40 blocks. And that's for me very important because 40 blocks give a huge diversity. Each blocks having his own characteristic, his own personality, and that helped me, I will say, to start the blend in the vineyard and not just in the winery after the vinification. Most of the time in the New World, you can see that most of the vineyard are a big square of 100, 200, 1000 acres. L'Aventure, so it's completely different. I will say it's more like a Burgundy spirit, where the notion of specificity is very distinctive. And like I said, that's for me very important. Each varietal, depending where it's planted, will develop its own characteristic. And some will be more on the California style, some other one will be more on the finesse and the elegance. And so I will take advantage of this diversity when I will do my final blend. So voilà. I hope that after this small visit at L'Aventure, you will have a better idea of the philosophy I try to achieve. Please enjoy the wine and goodbye.